Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you a quick and easy way to create a perfect circular image design in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you are building a professional presentation or designing custom graphics, this simple trick is incredibly useful. Let's jump right in. First, open your slide and insert the photo you want to use. Click on your image to select it. You will notice the Picture Format tab appears at the top of your screen. Click on that tab. Next, look over to the right side of the ribbon and click the drop-down arrow under the Crop tool. Hover your mouse over Aspect Ratio and select 1:1. This instantly crops your image into a perfect square, which is the secret to getting a flawless circle later on. Click anywhere outside the image to apply this first crop. Now let's make it round. Click your image one more time to select it. Go back up to the Picture Format tab. Click that same crop drop-down arrow and this time hover over Crop to Shape. In the Basic Shapes menu, select the oval. Because we already set our aspect ratio to a perfect square, your image will instantly transform into a perfect circle. If you need to adjust exactly what part of the photo is showing, simply click the main crop icon. You can now click and drag the image inside the circular frame to recenter it, or drag the corner handles to scale the subject up or down. When it looks perfect, just click anywhere outside the frame to lock it in. And that is it. A clean, professional circular image in just a few clicks. If this quick tip helped you today, please drop a like and make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more simple software tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.